different style. Not really style, but we're in a different perspective. Yeah, the dude Jackson, if you didn't know, I'm Jackson. That's my name. Hi. Decided to switch up the perspective for this video. Yeah, I guys like it. And I don't know, but my glasses fell off. There we go. But Ty's up here somewhere, we'll go find him. I didn't get lost, I just mentally lost on how to turn on the camera. Did you know that in Arizona it's hot?
Sure.
Yeah, that thing up there creates heat. And it sucks. Good boy. Stuck. It's too sandy. Tyler! No! God dang it. It's too soft right here, guys. I'm stuck forever. Dang it. That was just our friendly call if one of us has a problem. I guess I'll find a shelter to stay for the night. Maybe we could find a homeless friend and sleep at their house while we wait for help. Man, this sucks. I guess we could just lay right here, you know? Pretty nice. Currently, Tyler, come help me. I'm dying in pain. Okay. We've survived the night in this treacherous wasteland. It's like 9,000 degrees. Wait. Oh, I just farted. I don't know if you guys heard that. But I farted. Hey, Tyler. Tyler! It usually never happens. noise with my mouth. I don't know if you guys could do that, but I'm pretty talented. Listen to this. Oh god, so heavy. Oh man, I guess I should like call Ty. I guess, maybe. Tipo. Hopefully he answers. Answer me, Tyler!
I'm sorry, but the person you called
You
has...
suck. Tyler! Come help me! I'm dying!
That's embarrassing.
Yeah. Right off the start, it just dug in.
Yeah, I see.
But your tires are like laser cutters. So, where are we gonna go now?
Well, how long are we gonna push?
You never know.
That's called legitness.
Alright, there you go. Well, I guess we're gonna call that a motovlog because of our unfortunate situations. This kind of sucks. But after this video, we'll make another video, then we'll make another video. Make sure to hit like, and that if you didn't know, the button kind of looks like this. It's like got fingers and then has a little thumb. That means like it. It's thumbs up, you know. And subscribe. And deuces.